Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to copy and paste content from Google Gemini to Word. All right, let's begin. Open your browser, go to Google, and search for Google Gemini. Click the official website and enter your prompt in the input box. For example, ask for information on any topic you need. Submit the prompt and wait for Gemini to generate the response. For the first method, use the built-in copy button in Gemini's response. Click it to copy all the generated content instantly. Then, open your Word document and paste the content using right-click paste or keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. For the second method, manually highlight the text you need. Click and drag over the content, then press Ctrl+C to copy. Open your Word document and paste it the same way. These two methods give you flexibility to copy either full responses or selected sections quickly and efficiently. So that's basically how you can copy and paste content from Google Gemini to Word. That's it for this video. Thanks.